This conference will now be recorded.
There is a two more relationship we have to take that can be taken later. Okay, there are two more relationship: external lookup, indirect lookup. Right. Okay, this to create a relationship between uh, standard or custom and external object. External object is a kind of custom object you will create. Okay, and external object is like a mirror to external database. The table is not in Salesforce. The table will be from outside the Salesforce organization. Okay, through the external object, I can see the data from another object. That's a type of object. Okay, this point, if you go with much more detail about the external object, you may lose the important concept whatever we covered so far. Okay, so you need not go into that concept right now. We'll take it later. Got me? Right. So this is a relationship we are going to establish between the object called external object and between your Salesforce object. That's it. Okay, now we'll raise the questions. What is the relationship available? Very many. Indirect lookup. Okay. Relationship is, yeah. Okay, and that's called, and cascade delete is possible. Okay, and yeah, master. Okay, these are things you should know. Can a child exist without relating to parent value in lookup relationship? It's possible, right? Okay, we already discussed the differences. We already discussed. I think that object that notepad I deleted, I guess. Sorry. Master detail lookup. Parent value in child is a required field, optional. Custom field type, yeah, roll up is possible. Okay, not possible. Owner of master is equal to owner of child. Okay, parent and child as its own, yeah, as owner field, right? As owner field. Cascade delete. Okay, not possible here. But you have some option here. When you delete a parent record, what should happen? We discussed, right, already. Practically also we have seen. Clear up the field, clear up the field in the child, or else do not allow the parent to be deleted. Am I right or wrong? What needs to be done when parent record is deleted? In lookup, people are able to recall that. There are two options, right? Clear up the field. Do not allow a parent to be deleted if it has any child. Okay, and we also see in lookup filter also, right? Lookup filter option in both the it's available in the both lookup and master detail. Lookup filter, which record I can look up. Yesterday you have seen, right? People are able to understand what I'm trying to say. When I look up, I can filter. Only the active department alone needs to be look up. The inactive department should not be displayed here. Okay, we can do that. Okay, there are two objects in a lookup relationship. I delete a parent, okay, which has some child also, which has some child. What will happen to the child in this case? It's a lookup relationship we are talking about. Will still exist. Okay. Yes, it still exists. Okay. If if you need to block the parent not to be deleted when it has any child, we have to go with that option. What to do if lookup record is deleted? Okay. In other case, what will happen? The child will still exist if you delete parent also. Okay. Cascade delete is not possible here. How many master data you can create? Only two. Am I right? If you create two master data, it become a junction object. We'll follow this. Okay. How to create a many to many? Then yeah. Okay. What type of relationship will go? Master detail, right? Can a junction object be on the master side of another master detail relationship? It's possible. Why it is not possible? I have a book, I have author, right? We already created. So question is, okay, question is, there is a junction object, right? What is that object? Book author. Okay, I'm going to have one more object here. Okay, says a price object. Can a book author can be a master to price again? Is it possible? Okay, can a junction object to be a on the master side of another master detail relationship? It's possible? It's not possible, right? Setup. Okay, the level what you're talking about is like this. This level. Okay. So how to quickly test this? Go to schema builder and create an object. Okay. Say price. Price is going to be child. Am I right? You don't see. You don't see a book author. It means not. It means what? It's not available. Okay. The object is not available. Once a once a two master detail has been created, that object cannot be a master to any other object. It's not possible. If it is possible, then you'll be able to find that object here, the parent object. Okay. I create a lookup. It's available now. Lookup is possible. Okay. Lookup can create 40 different relationship type. You can create lookup. Master detail can only be 2. The lookup can be created 40. So not possible. Don't go with a theoretical understanding. So try to create what I did now. Just try to create and do it practically. We'll come to know the limitation. Can be the formula field and junction object can be referenced on master object. Okay. The question is, I have some formula field on the junction object. Can I refer that field on the master object? Okay. Can the formula field junction object can reference field on the no from junction object can refer uh, a field from the master object? That's the question. Okay. Yes, it's possible. It's a cross object formula. It's a cross object formula, right? The child object referring the parent object field is called cross object formula. Can you check this practically? Will you able to check this practically? What you will do? You will create some formula field in the junction object. Try to refer the parent object. That's it. Okay. Is it possible to delete a custom object if it is on master side of the master detail relationship? Is it possible? But the child should not contains more than 10,000, right? Remember, I shown you the consideration. 10,000 records, right? Okay. No, my doubt is 1 minute. I go to the training object. Where is the master detail ever? Department employee, am I right? Okay, I go to the department. I delete. You cannot. It's not only 10,000. The master detail cannot delete. The 10,000 record is for a reparent the record from one master to another master. Reparent option we have seen, right? Reparenting. I like to change the parent department to some other object. For employee, I would like to change the parent. In that case, the 10,000 limit is applicable. But here, it's not possible. You cannot delete. So to delete, what should I do now? You have to first change the relationship from master detail to lookup, then you can delete. Okay, tell me this. There are two objects, okay, are in master detail relationship. A is a master, B is a child. Okay, I delete a record in B and then undelete the record from recycle bin. What will happen? Whether I can restore the record is possible as far as the record A is record master A is there in the object. You can restore it. You have to follow this. It's clear. Okay, delete a record in object A master and undelete the record from recycle bin. What will happen? This will restore the master record and delete the record also. Okay, both master. When you delete master, all the child will also get deleted. When you restore it, both master and child will also be restored. Okay, so deleting a record in object B. Okay, first you delete the child, then you delete the master record. Okay, in object A. Okay, then undelete the record of B. Basically, when you delete master, the B will not be available. Once you delete master, the B will not be available. Okay, you cannot restore it back. So the detailed record of object B will not be available. Okay, once you delete master, what will happen? The child will also get deleted. The child already been deleted, so that will not be available. That's all. Yesterday we have seen this, right? Yeah. So deleting a record in child object and separately delete the master record in again it's is repeated. Is repeated. I think it's repeated. Oh, undelete the record of A from recycle bin. Okay. We have seen this demo yesterday. Okay, because child has been deleted already. The later you delete master, then child will be deleted permanently. When you restore it back, only that master alone will be restored, and any child that the master has contains, that will also be deleted. But any child record you deleted previously, that cannot be restored. Okay, you can just check this example in your department employee object itself. Okay, and what about this? In lookup relationship, can I roll up? Then how will you do this, right? So using codings is possible. We cannot do it declaratively. Okay, we cannot do it declaratively, but by coding you can do that. There is a concept called trigger. You can do that automatically. Whenever the user insert a row into training object, a field will be automatically created. I mean, a value will be automatically calculated. Total number of uh, trainees will be summarized and displayed in the project record. Okay, declaratively is not possible, but programmatically it's possible. What about this? So which is a parent here? I said na here. An institute may have, yeah, which is a parent here. Custom object is a parent. When a custom object is a parent, what type of relationship I can go? Okay, look up, because the standard object should be on the child side. Can I have master detail here? We cannot. So only lookup is possible. Okay. See, when you go for master detail, okay, when you go for master detail relationship, when relationship is required, there are reasons. Okay, why you go for? When cascade delete is required, when standard object is parent and custom object is a child. When you go for lookup, when relationship is optional, we have no option, right? When standard object should be on the child side, we have no option. We have to go with the lookup relationship only. This is possible. The master object is a standard. Is possible? Yes. Is possible? Yes, possible, right? No, am I right? It's possible? No, you have to be very bold. It's not possible, right? The standard cannot be on the detail side. That's all. That's a one rule. You need not worry about which object on the master side. If the standard on the detail side, it's not possible. You cannot establish relationship between two standard object also. You cannot do that. Okay, right. Lookup. In lookup, you will say a parent as a parent only, not a master. Got me? And child as a child. Okay. The same scenario. Yeah. You tell me now. Is possible? Okay. It's possible. Okay. This one, it's not possible. Standard objects. Okay. If we go a contact, new lookup. I think it's possible. It's possible. You can go with okay, right. So account lookup can be done. So lookup, there is no limitations we have. So any relationship is not possible in the master detail. We have no choice. We have to go with the lookup only. Okay. Right. So this is not available in your question document. Okay. People are good with this. So what are the other things here? Okay, we have some true or false. Oh, that's what we have seen now. Okay, something similar to that we have seen. So I put it here. Okay. Yeah, roller summary field that summarize the data from junction object can be created on primary and secondary master. That's right. It's possible. You understand the question or not? I have book and author. Can I create a roller summary field on book to roll up the junction record? Similarly, on the author object, can I roll up the junction record? It's possible because it's again master detail relationship only. So roll up summary is possible, right? So it's true here. What about this? False. Okay, yeah. Custom object is master, standard object is child. Okay, that's it. And custom object is master. Yeah, it's true. It's possible. Okay, when I say master, then it's about master data relationship only, not about lookup. When I say master, it's a master data relationship. In lookup relationship, we name it as a parent only. Okay. People go do this, and so this is exercise for you. So create an object called agency and the client. Okay, create these two objects. Insert some row into the agency and client object. Okay, uh, don't don't create any relationship. See what I'm trying to say here. First, you have to create a lookup relationship. This is a scenario to understand how to create a master data relationship when the child contains some data. That's the scenario given here. Okay, so when you insert some row here, some test data to the child object, don't create the relationship. Insert a child without a parent. Okay, then you try to yeah, then you try to convert that into master detail. Will not be possible. What is the workaround solution? You have to relate all the child with some parent. Then you can do the field type conversion. You know how to do the field type conversion, right? Edit the field, change the field type from lookup to master detail. And this is you need to create a relationship between a standard object called contact, a custom object we already have, right? Training. Okay, we are going to create a master detail, junction many-to-many relationship. We are going to create one junction object, name the object as student course, then try to establish many-to-many relationship. So this is what we have seen today. Okay, book author, right? That's the exercise you have to do. So for every objects, you need to create a tab. Okay, and add into some application. Okay, so create your own application, or else just go with the training management application. Okay, in addition to that, whatever questions we have discussed, try to do this practically. Don't go theoretically. It will be there in your memory like a flash only. Now you understand, next day it will forget. So if you do it practically, deleting a record, what happens to the parent? Okay, from the recycle bin, restore it. It's possible or not? And how many levels of master the sub level I can have? Maximum 3. So how do you prove that? Create some 4 object. Okay, create a master detail from one object to another. Then you will see beyond level 3, you cannot find that object will not appear. You cannot create a master detail. It means only 3 levels is possible. Got me? And for roll-up summary, you need not recreate that scenario. 25 roll-up summary field you have to create. So that scenario you can skip. But whatever possible scenario you have, just try to recreate yourself and find out. Okay. In addition to that, okay, you are going to do one more exercise, which is not given here. Okay. So take the exercise of your search layout. Yesterday we covered, right? Search layout, where you can customize the layout for tab. Okay, and yeah, search result. People remember search result, and you can apply the filter condition here. There are 3 things, and one more thing we have seen. What is that? What is the layout? Lookup dialog layout. People got what I'm trying to discuss. Search layout. I'm talking about search layout. So you need to customize all the layout. Okay, for a department, employee, project, trainee, companies, customer, everywhere. Just go and customize your search layout, your tab layout, your lookup layout, lookup dialog, search result, and search filter. Okay, and yeah. So additionally, you do in addition to that, do that exercise as well. Okay, the next topic tomorrow is going to be validation rules. Okay, validation rule is the topic tomorrow. So I upload the notes here. So this is just additional notes for you. Okay, the notes already been there in your hand with hard copy. Just additional notes for you. And one more thing. Hold on. I'll upload the exercise later. After an hour, I will upload the exercise here. The exercise for your object relationship. Now you find exercise still a custom formula, right? I will add one more row. So this document I will you can find it here from a Google Drive. Okay, right. Carry on. So online people, see you tomorrow.